Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Wandering with White Duck. I'm Jack Stewart, your host, and we are down in the woods on an absolutely beautiful foggy day, and I'm a little bit hungry. Now tell me you guys, is there anything better than camp food? You know, when you cook something over an open flame, it just tastes so much better than when you're doing it in your kitchen at home. So today we're gonna cook some camp nachos in a Dutch oven on the fire. Let's get started. All right guys, so we're gonna go out and cut some smaller to medium-sized pieces of wood in order to get some really hot coals going on our fire. And so we're gonna take out the mini chainsaw and our log carrier and fill up a nice bundle so we can get this thing really hot. This looks like a very nice dry piece of wood that we can cut into some small pieces to build some coals. Again, we're not going for a fire that's gonna burn for a long time. We just wanna get some really hot coals that we can put around our Dutch oven. So I'm gonna start by cutting off some little pieces and we'll get to some of the little bit bigger ones. Okay, we cut up this entire limb and it's gonna be some great fuel for our fire over there. Let's head back and get it started. Come on, Ellie. Good dog, Ellie. All right guys, so here is our Dutch oven. This thing is great because you can either hang it from some sort of a tripod over the fire, or you can do what we're gonna do. You can set this thing right in the fire, put all of our ingredients inside, and you can stack coals on top of the oven here so that it really gives it that all over cook. And it's gonna be perfect for our nachos. All right guys, so we are gonna start by adding just a little bit of oil to our Dutch oven. I'm using avocado oil because it has a very high smoking point, which means it's not gonna become toxic. Then I'm gonna take some of our chips and we're just gonna start to spread them into the bottom of the Dutch oven. Just create a nice little bed of chips in there. Next, we're gonna cut up our veggies. We'll start with the green pepper here. We just wanna get a nice amount that we can sprinkle over the chips. Now, before we put any of the green peppers on there, I'm just gonna add a little bit of cheese onto the chips here. Now we can sprinkle on our green peppers. How good that's looking already. Next, it's time to add some tomato, and it'll add a nice little bit of flavor in there. Now let's add it to the spread. Now, one of the most important things I think to add to this is onion. I love onions. They make my breath smell awful, but you know what? It's worth it because they just taste so bomb. Now that we got the green peppers, tomatoes, and onions in there, it's time to add the protein. In this case, we're gonna use black beans. Now that we got the beans in there, it is time to add our seasoning. We're gonna start with a little bit of garlic powder just to give it a little more flavor. Then we're gonna add some red pepper flakes to get it nice and spicy. I am a huge fan of spice, so we're gonna add a lot of that. And finally, we're gonna sprinkle some more cheese on there just to get it real nice and cheesy. Now, this is my own personal taste. I love to add tapatio to the end of this for it to be able to bake right there into the cheese. Oh my gosh, look at how beautiful that is. It looks so tasty. Having all those different veggies in there with the cheese and the spice and the garlic, it is gonna be good. Okay, now that we have the oven down in the coals, I'm gonna try to scoop some of these and put them on top. Oh yeah, that is hot. You can just see the smoke coming off of these embers. Okay, you guys, moment of truth. This looks so bomb. I'm not gonna lie, I got a little bit of ash in there. You can see that the bottom layer of cheese is definitely melted. The top layer could have used a little bit longer. It's good to know in the future just to leave them in a little bit longer or have a hotter fire. But all in all, these look so good and I cannot wait to bite into them. All right, you guys, the moment of truth. It's time for the taste test. This looks so good, but we shall see right now. Oh, it is so, so good. You want to try one, Ellie? Come here. Ellie's gonna try one. I gave her a non-spicy chip. What do you think? Is it good? No, no, no. We're not eating from the cast iron. Take a look, you guys. Looks pretty good, huh? And then, of course, we can scoop up all of the good stuff. All right, guys, that's going to do it for this week's video. If you liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up and let me know what your favorite camp food is in the comments below, and maybe we'll make it next time. This has been Wandering with White Duck. I'm your host, Jack Stewart, and we'll see you next time.